Now we turn to the Boston Marathon bombings trial. Jury selection continued for a third day. Hundreds more prospective jurors filed in and out of the courthouse today to receive instructions from the judge. New at 6, we're taking a closer look at the warning signs the questionnaire is designed to generate. Eyewitness News reporter Jared Planter's been following the case all week. He joins us now live outside Boston Federal Court.
Shannon, good evening once again. The last few days have been pretty straightforward. Things have gone very well procedurally, but it's about to get more complicated for the attorneys and for the judge as they really start delving into the heart of jury selection. In 3 days, federal judge George O'Toole 6 different times read identical remarks to over 1,000 Massachusetts men and women who complied with their court order to show up. Accused marathon bomber Dzhokhar Tsarnaev was introduced to all of them. Now the legal teams and the court turned their eyes to a whopping number of completed jury questionnaires. Ed Davis is former commissioner of the Boston Police.
The judge has very astutely brought in 1,200 potential jurors, and they have the possibility of bringing in more if that's necessary. There's a whole science to jury selection, and so they will have experts on both sides looking at the people and what their answers to the questions are.
This is the first step in striking people for cause, and while the questionnaires are sealed, there are some general red flags for the court. Expansive knowledge of the chain of events 2 Aprils ago and subsequent court activity. Minds already committed to guilt or innocence, the inability, moral or otherwise, to apply the death penalty, and close ties to survivors. And the court tells us tonight the earliest we would be back here for continued jury selection is next Thursday, not tomorrow, next Thursday. Live outside the Moakley Courthouse tonight with the mobile newsroom in Boston, I'm Jared Planter, Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Jared, and count on Eyewitness News for continuing coverage of the Boston Marathon bombings trial. We'll continue to track each development as the case unfolds and provide updates from federal court. You'll be able to see it all right here on WPRI 12 and on our website, WPRI.com.